And Assalamu alaikum to the students of level 3. This is me, Miss Sobia from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Welcome to e-learning, and the chapter which we were doing was Our Amazing Body. That was on page number 104 in your textbook Cambridge Global English Learners Book 3. In this chapter, we have studied that heart is the size of your fist and our bones give us body and its shape. Muscles are connected to our bones. There is a skull inside our head. Our skull protects our brain. Our body contains skulls, muscles, backbone, and ribs. Germs are the tiny living things which can make us ill. We need a lot of important things while you are asleep. Exercise builds our bones strong. There are many ways to get exercise. For example, walking, running, climbing stairs, and playing ball games. Fruits and vegetables are important for our health. Vegetables just like carrot, spinach, potato, tomato, that is all our healthy food that keep us healthy. We have to take a lot of water to keep our body healthy. We need a plenty of exercise and plenty of sleep to keep our body healthy. We have to wash our hands again and again. We have to include fruits and vegetables in our health. That is all we have read in Our Amazing Body. Now you have to open your workbooks, page number 89. Page number 89. We are doing exercise number 4, use of English. Read the text, choose the right word and write them on the lines. We have just studied that your heart is about the size of your head, fist or nose. Now you have to think that what we have just read. Your heart is about the size of your fist. It beats day or night and night or but night. The answer is and. It doesn't stop. Your heart beats about 72 times every day, every week or every minute. Yes, right, every minute. When you run around and exercise, it beats more quickly, slowly or the same. Whenever you are running and you are doing anything, what you will feel? Your heart beats more quickly. Your heart is not very big, but it is an important part of your body. Here are 3 rules for taking good care of your heart. Now, eating healthy food, eat healthy food or eat? Yes, eat healthy food. Take plenty of exercise, get plenty of sleep that we have just read. Exercise 5. Read the clues and look at the picture. Write the words in your workbook, page number 89. What is inside your skull? And it is the part of your body that thinks. What is a part of the body that starts with B and it is inside your skull and it helps to think? Brain. The right answer. Number 2. They give our body its shape. They let us stand up straight. What is that thing in our body that give us shape and it help you to make a stand? Yes, it is our bones. Number 3. There are 2 inside your chest. When you breathe in and they fill with air. What help in breathing in and out and fill with air? Yes, these are lungs. Lungs help our body filled with air and it help us in breathing. Page number 90. Healthy and strong. Read the clues, write the words in the crossword puzzles. Across, down. Across is 5, 6 and 7. Just read out the numbers over there. Just look at the numbers. Number 5. What is your favorite kind of dash? Skipping, walking or playing football? What these types are? These are the types of exercise. In the 5 you have to write down exercise. Number 6. Wash your hands with dash and water. What will help us in cleaning our hands with water? Yes, soap. You have to write down in number 6, SOAP, soap. Get plenty of dash every night. What we have to take? Carrot is a vegetable like a bean or an onion. Number 2. What help us in move, bend, lift and heavy things? Our muscles. Drink plenty of water every day. Dash are the tiny living things which can make us ill. Germs are the tiny living things. Number 7, you have to write down get plenty of sleep every night. We have to take a plenty of sleep every night. Number 7. Thank you to the students of level 3. Please do page number 89 and 90 of your workbooks completed everyone. Thank you.